Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a device that promises to revolutionize your driving experience. The largest 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen from Kuayvan. Whether you're driving an old car or a modern ride, this might be the perfect upgrade for your dashboard. Let's get into everything this beast of a screen has to offer, from wireless smartphone integration to 4K dashcam capabilities. Right off the bat, the size stands out. At 11.5 inches, this is the largest portable CarPlay screen currently on the market. It's designed with a perfect balance of screen size and low profile, meaning you get a clear and immersive display without blocking your view of the road. It mounts easily with either a suction cup or a vertical bracket with strong adhesive, both included in the box. The build feels sturdy, and the matte finish helps reduce glare, especially during daytime driving. This unit isn't just about size, it's packed with features. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, so no more fumbling with cables. You also get built-in Bluetooth, voice control via Siri or Google Assistant, and even GPS with real-time navigation using apps like Google Maps or Waze. It also includes a 4K front dash cam and a 1080p rear camera that's waterproof, ideal for capturing footage or parking in tough spots. And yes, simultaneous front and rear recording is supported, with a wide 178-degree viewing angle. Connectivity is smooth and fast thanks to built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi. There's a companion mobile app available for both iOS and Android, allowing you to preview, download, and share dashcam footage directly to your phone. With 64 GB of onboard storage and loop recording, the system ensures you never run out of space. It automatically overwrites the oldest footage, so you're always recording the most important moments. The audio setup is also impressive with 4 different output options including the built-in speaker, aux, FM transmitter, and CarPlay or Android Auto pass-through. This gives you flexibility no matter what car stereo you're working with. This isn't just a utility gadget, it's an entertainment hub. Mirror Link allows you to cast videos from apps like YouTube or TikTok straight to the screen, effectively turning your car into a mini theater. The resolution is crisp, colors are vibrant, and the touch response is surprisingly smooth for a non-factory unit. It's perfect for passengers on long road trips or when you're parked waiting for someone. What's really great here is how it balances convenience with safety. Voice commands work well for making calls, sending texts, or navigating, keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. The large screen layout makes it easy to glance at maps or music playlists without getting distracted. Plus, the GPS is accurate and responsive with zero noticeable lag, even in busy urban areas. All in all, this 11.5-inch Kuayvan CarPlay screen brings a lot to the table: size, functionality, and versatility, all wrapped into a single package. It's a must-have upgrade for anyone with an older car or anyone looking to modernize their driving setup without spending a fortune. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hands-on product breakdowns. See you in the next video.